Welcome to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's full of excitement and anticipation. Have you ever wanted to express your eagerness or your enthusiasm in Spanish? Maybe you're looking forward to a special event, a meeting with friends, or just eager to try something new. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to say "can't wait" in Spanish. This phrase is not just a direct translation. It's about capturing the spirit of anticipation and joy. So whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your Spanish skills, stay tuned as we explore this lively expression together. We can't wait to begin. No podemos esperar para comenzar. And by the way, amigos, if you love exploring the beauty and diversity of the Spanish language, this channel is the place for you. Hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant community where we make learning Spanish fun and easy. From everyday phrases to deep dives into culture, there's something for everyone. Suscríbete ahora y comienza tu aventura con el español. Let us begin. Comencemos. Today's video is entitled How to Say "Can't Wait" in Spanish. We're going to learn some of the most important phrases used in this particular expression. And at the end of the video, there is a special exercise for listening Spanish skills. So stay tuned till the very end. And don't forget to subscribe. Suscríbete. If you want to say "I can't wait" in Spanish, you would say "No puedo esperar." No puedo esperar. Listen and repeat after me. No puedo esperar. I can't wait. No puedo esperar. Muy bien. Let's see another example. Veamos otro ejemplo. If you want to say, "I can't wait to see you," you would say, No puedo esperar verte. I can't wait to see you. Some people can also say, No puedo esperar a verte. Both ways are correct, so don't worry too much about it. Muy bien. Are you ready for the next one? Please make sure that you listen carefully and copy my pronunciation. Let us move on to the next one. Siguiente. If you want to say, I can't wait to eat, you're really starving, you would say, No puedo esperar para comer. No puedo esperar para comer. I can't wait to eat. Like these people here, they're enjoying a beautiful pizza, I think. Gee, now I'm hungry myself. No puedo esperar para comer. Excelente. Let us move on to the next example. I can't wait any longer. No puedo esperar más. No puedo esperar más. In this case, más is translated as any longer. No puedo esperar más. I can't wait any longer. No puedo esperar más. No puedo esperar más. Siguiente. If you want to say, I can't wait forever, you would say, No puedo esperar para siempre. Para siempre means forever in Spanish. No puedo esperar para siempre. No puedo esperar para siempre. No puedo esperar para siempre. Otro ejemplo, another example. I can't wait to go shopping. This is a favorite one for some people, ¿no? No puedo esperar para ir de compras. No puedo esperar para ir, which means to go, de compras, shopping. No puedo esperar para ir de compras. No puedo esperar para ir de compras. And the next one, siguiente. I can't wait to watch the movie. No puedo esperar a ver la película. No puedo esperar means I can't wait. A ver la película, to watch the movie. No puedo esperar a ver la película. Muy bien. I hope you're familiarizing yourself with all these phrases. They're very important. Siguiente. I can't wait more time. No puedo esperar más tiempo. No puedo esperar más tiempo. Like this guy is certainly in a hurry. No puedo esperar más tiempo. I can't wait more time. Last time. No puedo esperar más tiempo. Excelente! The time has come for our Spanish listening exercises with Mr. Briggs. Welcome back. How did you go? Welcome back to our channel where we bring Spanish to life. And in order to do this, today we have something special for you. Spanish listening exercises, as we always do. These exercises are designed to sharpen your listening skills and help you understand Spanish as it is spoken in real life. We'll cover various topics and accents, making it perfect for all levels. So, are you ready to test your ears? Let us begin. Vamos a empezar. Muy bien, comencemos. 1, 2, 3. Les voy a contar un secreto. Tengo un amigo aquí. Mira, está ahí. ¿Lo ves? ¿Sabes quién es? Lobo. Ven aquí, venga. Ven aquí, venga. Este es Lobo, mi perro, mi otro perro. Él es un pastor alemán. Lobo significa wolf. Es muy bonito, lo quiero mucho. Él tiene miedo a los fuegos artificiales. Estamos cerca de Navidad y algunas personas utilizan fuegos artificiales, petardos, y los perros se asustan mucho. Especialmente mi perro Lobo. Así es que está a mi ladito descansando. No puedo esperar a salir de vacaciones. No puedo esperar a que ya no tiren fuegos artificiales porque mi perrito sufre mucho, se asusta mucho. No puedo esperar a salir de viaje junto con él, ir a las montañas, ir al mar y llevarlo conmigo. Aquí en Australia hay una playa muy larga. Se llama la playa de las 90 millas. Y se permiten animales como tus perros. Una vez llevé a Lobo y Lobo jugaba muy contento. No puedo esperar a ir al mar y disfrutar del aire marino. Very good, my dear friends. I hope you understood that. I was telling you that my dog Lobo is a little bit scared of fireworks, and because we're getting closer to Christmas, there's a lot of explosions around the place where I live, and the poor thing suffers a lot. I love him so much. He's such a good dog. He's big, scary, because, you know, he looks like a bit of a mini. He's like a puppy dog, you know, at heart. He's a lovely, lovely dog. Y eso es todo por hoy, amigos. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the Spanish language. And if you found this helpful, por favor, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting Spanish lessons. And if you know anyone who's also learning Spanish, share my channel. Muy bien, amigos. Please take care, look after yourself, and I'll see you very soon. Hasta la próxima. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Adiós y gracias. Chao, chao.